How to add text to a video online. So you've recorded a video for Instagram, YouTube or TikTok and you want to add some custom text to it on screen. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your footage to an easy online editor, how to add some text to your video, how to change the font size and shape of the text, and how to export the final product. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to veed.io. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free, and I've left a link to Veed in the video description. Now that you're set up, on the homepage, select Upload Your Video, then Upload a File. Now select your clip from your computer and hit Open. And once it's uploaded, you'll see your clip sitting down in the video timeline. And now we're ready to add some text. Over in the left-hand toolbar, select the text icon, and that opens up the text edit window. And as you can see, there are a lot of different presets here for adding text onto your video. Now, if we select one, a text box will automatically be dropped on top of the video. And we can now customize this text to get the exact look that we're going for. First of all, I'm just going to type in what I want my text to say. So I'm just going to put add text. And underneath, you'll see some drop-down menus where I can change the font. I can change the size of the text. I can change the color from the color picker, or I can go over to palettes for some more options. And underneath that, I can make my text bold. I can make it italic, and I can even change the alignment of my text from the options here. And by selecting more options at the top here, that opens up another drop-down menu, and here I can add some extra effects such as an outline, which I quite like the look of. So I'm happy with that style and color, and now I want to change where my text sits within the frame. As you can see in my example video, I point to the top right-hand corner of the screen, and that's where I want my text to sit. And to move it there, I'm just going to go over to the video canvas and select my text box and simply click and drag it to that corner. And while I'm here, I can also adjust the size just by clicking and dragging the corners of the text box like so. And by toggling the circle above the text box, I can also put it at a slight angle if I want it to sit on an axis. Now, I also want to change the timings for when my text appears on screen. Going back to this example clip, I want my text to appear when my finger points to that corner of the screen. To do this, I'm going to go down to the video timeline and move the blue playhead to the point where I want my text to appear on screen. So it's about there. Now I'm going to select my text box and click and drag the front of it to the point where the playhead is sitting. And at this point, I can also adjust the end of the clip if I want it to disappear at a later stage in the clip, but I want to leave it as it is. And if we watch it back, you'll now see that the text appears when I point to that part of the screen. You can add as many text layers as you want using Veed just by going back over to the text edit menu and hitting add new text. And when you've finished adding all of the layers that you want, it's time to export the final product. And to do that, we just need to go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and hit export, and then export video, and the editor will now render out the final file. On this next page, you can review your edit one more time by hitting play, and if you're happy, just select download MP4, which downloads your final video to your computer. And that is how to add text to any video online, and your clip is now ready to upload to any social media platform. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.